You just wrapped your biggest Etsy weekend, $317 in printable sales, pinged PayPal overnight. Yet tax season looms like a villain in a Marvel flick, ready to zap 40% of your hard-earned side hustle cash. So today, I'm handing you the controller to a real-life choose-your-own adventure. 7 tax decisions that determine whether you finish the year sipping lattes on refund day or scrambling for payment plan pennies. Play along by typing your choice letter. Comments for each forecarding. The first 50 of every step gives the algorithm a caffeine jolt. And I'll pick 3 brave players for a private tax-proof My Hustle Zoom next week. Scene 1. The ignorance or insight fork. Your inbox dings. Etsy's $10.99K. Ready? Click later. Scroll TikTok. Hope taxes magically vanish. Option B. Download immediately. Paste gross total into a Google Sheet column income. Comment A or B. Scene 2. Receipt roulette. Pile of Starbucks, Canva Pro, and Midjourney receipts lurk in email. Option A. Ignore. Assume some expenses will pass. Option B. Open ChatGPT. Prompt summarize my Gmail label receipts into a CSV with date, vendor amount. Export to sheet column expenses. Type A or B. Pattern interrupt number 1. Quick overlay of ChatGPT scraping Gmail in 3 seconds. Viewers mesmerized, retention holds. Scene 3. Mileage mystery. You've driven 143 miles, sourcing thrift store, flipping inventory. Option A. Can't. Remember trips? Skip mileage. Option B. Install free Stride app, retro add trips, log $95 deduction potential. Comment A or B. Scene 4. Separate or sorry. Side hustle money still lands in personal checking. Option A. May will separate eventually. Option B. Open founder Bluevine LLC account, connect Etsy plus Gumroad so income auto tags business. Type A or B. Mid-video CTA, ask viewers to screenshot their running a B. Score and share it in IG stories tagging at Money Lupi. I repost every tag in my highlight tax game 2025. Pushing new eyeballs back to replay this episode viral loop. Scene 5. Estimate escape. CPA video warns you, owe quarterly estimates. Option A. Ignore, hope refund covers it. Option B. Use IRS Form 104 OES worksheet. Plug sheet income minus expenses. Find $162 federal, $48 state. Schedule autopay and IRS direct pay. Comment A or B. Scene 6. Depreciation dilemma. You bought a $750 iPad solely for design. Okay, option expense, full cost now, risking audit red flag. Option B. Use IRS schedule, see line 13, section 179, depreciate over 3 years. ChatGPT calculates yearly deduction $250. Comment A or B. Pattern interrupt number 2. Flash 3-second time lapse of IRS form, autofilled via GPT API. Dopamine spike. Scene 7. Pro or DIY. You face 600 rows in sheet. Option A. DIY TurboTax. Self-employed at 11 p.m. April 14th. Option B. Hire enrolled agent on Upwork for $150. Share sheet. Get audit offense letter. Comment A or B. Now, tally. 7 Bs unlock tax survival score 100% 4+ as trigger audit anxiety mode. Post your ratio with hashtag tax survival. I'll sort comments, feature top scorers, and a pinned shout-out, luring rewatchers to check if they made the board. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.